What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you some recent news that probably might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video I will show you the potential setup, and this setup is quite bullish, but we have to be very cautious. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video several days ago, somewhere at this point when we had this movement to the downside right after this massive spike in price. And I've told you multiple times that this asset is a fraudulent company, but it has a quite decent price action and we can benefit from it. And for now we are about to see potential new setup that might bring you a lot of profits. But everything I will show you in just several minutes. And for now let's continue with the fundamental news. So, first of all, let me show you this article. It was published on September 29th and it's titled Mullen Automotive releases new info about upcoming MULN 5 4S. And this press release was published on September 29th. And let me show you that, first of all, they disclosed again some details about MULN 5. And let me quote you these details. Mullen Automotive announced an upcoming version of its MULN 5 crossover that delivers a performance to rival plate versions of Tesla Model S and Model X. The MULN 5 was originally meant to compete against Tesla's Model Y and Volkswagen ID.4, but the new version features more than 1000 horsepower and the ability to go from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds with a top speed of more than 200 miles per hour. The new model also features an 800-volt electrical system, enabling rapid charge times when using a DC fast charger. The 5RS will be manufactured in Mullen's Tunica, Mississippi plant and is expected to be revealed next spring, with the standard version starting at about $55,000. The company anticipates delivering the first vehicles in 2024. So, this technical information is basically absolutely identical with the Tesla Model S Plaid, but I don't think that they have this vehicle. And let me show you this. If you want to dive deep into their fundamentals, if you want to know more about the company, let me show you this. The 5RS will be manufactured in Mullen's Tunica, Mississippi plant. And let me show you right here the news that was published about a year ago on November 15th on their official website. And it says, Mullen Automotive is pleased to announce today that the company closed purchase of the Tunica, Mississippi Advanced Manufacturing and Engineering Center, AMEC, without any debt and will begin ramp up of hiring of the initial set of skilled trades and support staff. AMEC is in Robinsonville, Mississippi, which is located in Tunica County and is approximately 40 miles south of Memphis, Tennessee. And let me quote you further details. Mullen's previously announced plans on November 5th to build out another 1.2 million square feet of manufacturing space to support Class 1 and Class 2 EV cargo vans and the MULN 5 EV crossover at AMEC. The facility currently occupies 124,000 square feet of manufacturing space. The total available land on the property is over 100 acres. On the expanded site, Mullen plans to build a body shop, fully automated paint shop and a general assembly shop. And definitely, this might be quite bullish news back in the days. This should be quite bullish news back in the days, but let me show you this. Here is their plant, and as you can see, it is Tunica Resorts MS 38664. And let me show you that right here we can see just one building and a lot of free space. And right here you can see that this picture was made by the satellite of Google in 2022. And let me show you some details. If we will take a look from the Google Street View, right here we will see this plant, and as you can see right here, this photo was made in June 2022, so just 3 months ago. And as you can see, we don't have any new buildings right here, and we don't have any intentions to build anything on this plant. And I have to say that this building is very small, even for the ending assembly. And definitely you cannot rely on this plant, so-called plant, in order to produce vehicles right here. And definitely this is another proof that this company is a fraudulent company, and that's why you should avoid it by any means. You should avoid investing in this company by any means. And let me show you why this asset is quite popular. Right here on Stock Tweets community website, you can find that in most active section, Mullen is still on the 10th place, and from time to time it might go higher, and this means a lot of people, a lot of retail investors still believe that this company might skyrocket. And I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint, there are zero news, there are zero intentions to see this company as the leader, one of the leaders of EV industry. That's why you have to be very cautious. But from the technical standpoint, and before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. From the technical standpoint, probably we might see the next spike to the upside, but let me show you right here. Definitely we might have this range at about 31 or 32 cents, 31.99 or 32 cents as the range of support. Let me mark it for you like this, with the horizontal line. Probably we might have this as our range of support, and definitely if we connect these tops, we can see the descending triangle, and this triangle usually breaks to the downside. But if we will see the breakout below this range of support, and we will see this breakout without major volume, we might consider it as a potential. Let me show you. If I connect these bottoms without this wick, and this bottom as well, we might consider it as a bullish pattern. It is a falling bullish wedge, and previously, let me show you right here, we had exactly the same pattern right here, and it was quite massive, as you can see on a 1 hour time frame. And right here I've told you that we might have a bounce to the upside that probably might bring you some profits, and we caught this movement to the upside with about 27% of potential profits. This means we might see quite similar price action if we will break this range of support, and if this asset will bounce from this sloping line, from this support range. So, and what should you do if you want to enter the position? Definitely you have to know that this asset is very risky, and you shouldn't go all in this asset. But if we will go lower, if we will have a bounce from this sloping line, definitely we might see the next leg to the upside that probably might hit some targets. First of all, it might hit this previous swing high at about 24.74%. Next one is this one, about 47.67%. On top of that, if I switch to daily time frame, and let me show you what do we have on indicators. Let me show you more thoroughly. Right here, as you can see, we have higher lows on RSI, and as you can see, RSI is on oversold territory, and we have lower lows on a price action. Let me show you right here. We have lower lows and higher lows, and the MACD indicator also might have a next tick to the neutral territory or to the upside, and this means this asset is gaining momentum and we might have a bounce, and on a daily basis we might see this bounce from the current range to next range of resistance, and it might be up to 70% of potential profits in a matter of next couple of weeks. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,